Hello everyone. Missed me and Ethan? Guess not. We are beginning to approach the end of this project. In this series, I collected all the material that was filmed this summer, but was not shown. We'll talk about rear control arm, mounting of cheap copy of CSL ducktail, installation of outer steering tie rod ends, some ideas with wrap vinyl, stickers and of course wheel alignment. Shall we begin? When I bought that car, I knew it had to be repainted. The car is 21 years old. There are some stone chips on the hood, rust on the left front and right rear fender. I like to experiment. I had 10-year-old wrap vinyl in the garage, and I wanted to mount it and see how the car will look like with a black hood and black roof. As you can see, the whole family helps. I chose a samurai theme for that car. Aiden helps cut sticks of samurai. It became cool. A little bit too small. Because the car needs to be repainted, all the stickers and wrap vinyl need to be removed, but now you and I know what the car can look like. Let's move on. CSL wing. Oh yes. Now things are happening. I bought this wing on Facebook for only 40 euros, but I want it to look like the original, so that's what I did. I have not really been happy with all the edges, especially on the back. I found pictures of original CSL tailgate online. Cut the wing in the back and cast it with fiberglass. Ducktail will be repainted with the entire car. There are small adjustments that need to be made before that. Otherwise it looks very good. After coilover mounting and lots of other changes, this car needs alignment, but before I do that, I need to change the steering joint. The problem is that they are rusty and there is no way to adjust them. Look at that. Finally some spare parts that are not used. I bought these control arms on YouTube. They cost around €40. It's cheaper than changing rear tires once a year. I have tried to change control arms at home out in the yard, but it did not work so well, due to differential is in the way. And it is very difficult to access if you do not have a car lift. Teleports to my friend's garage and tries to change them there. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope the video was not so boring and you did not fall asleep. In case you are still awake, do not forget to subscribe. For the next series, I will try to make finished front and rear bumpers. Take care of yourself and stay cool.